Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we have some groundbreaking news that will blow your mind. Get ready to dive into the world of Apple as we unveil the highly anticipated foldable iPad. Let's dive into the hot stuff now. In a recent article published by DigiTimes, a bombshell has been dropped. Hold on to your seats, folks, because Apple's long-rumored foldable iPad is now in the very early stages of development. And guess what? There is a possibility that it could be announced in 2024. In accordance with reports, Apple is working closely with suppliers in order to plan for a small-scale production to be completed before the end of 2024. The foldable iPad may be unveiled in late 2024 or early 2025 if everything goes according to plan. That's exciting. Adding to the intrigue of this story, here is what makes it even more interesting. In contrast to other manufacturers, Apple is not following the crowd when it comes to its new foldable phone. No, it's a different path that they're taking, and they're focusing on the concept of a foldable iPad. Apple's move is one of the classic ones, zigging when everyone else is zagging. And let's be honest, it has worked wonders for them in the past. As far as we know, this is their first ever foldable product, and it is certainly not just a gimmick like some of the designs we have seen at CES this year. In case you're interested in folding devices, I highly recommend that you check out the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. But of course, we're here to talk about Apple, and they have a unique way of redefining the tablet category into their own unique style. Imagine the possibility of an iPad that folds, designed with the precision and elegance that can only be provided for Apple. For Apple, this is a lower risk than having a foldable phone, allowing them to test the waters and determine whether a foldable device makes sense for their future plans or not. Since many of us remain loyal to the Apple ecosystem, Apple has the luxury of waiting and observing the situation. It gives them the freedom to experiment and innovate at their own pace, which allows them to be more creative. Now, it seems that the design of the foldable iPad is still in the process of being finalized. Aside from being focused on creating a more cost-effective design for its foldable devices, Apple is also addressing one of the main challenges that all foldable devices face: the creases on the displays. As a result, they're determined to reduce this issue as much as possible and deliver a seamless user experience to the end user. In 2025, mass production of the foldable iPad is expected to begin, and it should be available by then. It's an intriguing concept that piques our interest and sparks our imagination. Taking a step back, let's focus on more immediate releases, namely more realistic iPads that we can expect to see in the coming months. According to DigiTimes, Apple is also working on a larger version of the iPad Air that will feature a massive 12.9-inch display. There is no doubt that this would be the biggest iPad Air that we have ever seen. Nevertheless, it has been rumored that this new 11-inch iPad Air will have the same LCD display as the new 12.9-inch iPad Air. However, it is not believed that it will have a mini LED display like the current 12.9-inch iPad Pro. A stunning visual experience is guaranteed as a result of this exciting development. The first thing we need to do is to take a look at the design. As of now, details about the upcoming iPad Pro are still a bit hazy, but rumors suggest that we might see some changes in the upcoming iPad Pro. There is no word on whether there will be a major overhaul or small changes, such as the placement of the camera or slight adjustments to the edges, or if it will be a total overhaul. In terms of design, the iPhone Pro and iPad Pro lineups are already quite similar, so it's a bit intriguing to speculate about why Apple would want to shake things up with its iPad Pro lineups. We will now discuss the internal upgrades that will truly elevate the iPad Pro experience in terms of speed and performance. The highlight of the new A17 Pro will be the new M3 chip, developed based on the same 3nm process design as the A17 Pro, and which is expected to be the star of the show. In addition to improved performance, this chip is also expected to be more energy efficient. It does not end there. There is more to come. There has been reports that the new iPad Pro might be able to offer a whopping 4 TB of storage, which would open up a whole new world of possibilities for power users. There is also a possibility that this increase in storage capacity will also lead to a boost in RAM, which would result in smooth multitasking and seamless performance. According to rumors, OLED displays are going to revolutionize the industry. With its improved color accuracy, deeper blacks, and enhanced contrast, this display will not only deliver stunning visuals, but will also consume less power as well. In a nutshell, it is like having a high-end TV in the palm of your hand. For those who prefer a larger canvas, there will be a slight increase in the size of the screen. There is a possibility that the iPad Pro will grow from 11 inches to 11.1 inches and 12.9 inches to 13 inches. It is expected that the OLED iPad Pro models will come with a higher price tag, but the reported numbers sound quite impressive. As for today's models, they start at $799 and $1,099. But according to a Korean report, the entry-level models could reach prices as high as $1,500 and $1,800 in the future. Based on rumors and speculations, some potential camera improvements that could be seen in the foldable iPad include a higher megapixel count, allowing for higher resolution photos and videos. Apple could also introduce improved image processing capabilities, resulting in better image quality and enhanced low-light performance. The foldable iPad might offer enhanced video recording features such as higher frame rates, improved stabilization, and possibly even support for higher resolution video formats. Additionally, there could be new camera features and functionalities introduced, such as improved autofocus, advanced depth sensing, and augmented reality capabilities. These potential camera enhancements aim to provide users with an even more immersive and high-quality photography and videography experience. It's important to note that these specifications are based on rumors and should be taken with a grain of salt until Apple officially announces the foldable iPad and provides accurate information about its camera capabilities. It's at this point where things really begin to get interesting. We might finally see wireless charging on the iPad Pro in the near future. Imagine a device with a sleek glass back that not only enables wireless charging, but also maybe is able to support reverse charging. It's a feature that could truly enhance the versatility of the iPad Pro. However, there is a twist in the tale. Another report hints that Apple might have abandoned the glass back idea in favor of a larger Apple logo made of glass. This logo could still allow for wireless charging, but the overall design might take a different direction. Only time will tell if this glass logo concept becomes reality. I would like to remind everyone that these are all rumors and reports, and it is essential to keep this in mind. In terms of the next generation iPad Pro, we'll have to wait patiently until Apple unveils it in 2024. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting tech videos. See you in the next one.